Did you know the world's oldest recorded sea storm dates back to ancient Egypt? In 2550 BCE, Egyptian sailors documented a fierce storm on the Red Sea, inscribed on ancient papyrus. This storm, described as a battle between gods, left a lasting mark on history. Sailors believed the gods were fighting, creating colossal waves and violent winds. Imagine being on a wooden ship with no modern navigation, facing nature's fury. This ancient storm reminds us of the powerful and unpredictable nature of the seas. Stay curious and explore more fascinating history with us. Subscribe for more information.